how to show or hide the apps button on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here tap on the settings icon. Next we scroll down and then tap on home screen. After that we then scroll down and in here tap on show apps screen button on the home screen. So tap on the toggle button to hide or show the apps button. Here it is on, so you can see the easy button. I can quickly tap on it to go into the app screen, and if I switch it off, then it will not show the apps button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.